Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is multi-skilled electrician, and I talk about electricals and electricians. Okay, so today I'm talking about you can see this is a toggle switch, normalized switch. This is also a normalized switch, and this is an MCB. What is an MCB? It's a miniature circuit breaker. Okay. So the question is, why is it that we don't use the normal switch for our electrical systems when it comes to the circuits, but we use an MCB for it? Okay. So this has a very unique technology that this or this doesn't have, and it's simple as this. Whenever continuous overcurrent flows through this, an MCB or miniature circuit breaker, do you know what happens? There is a bimetallic strip in this which is heated. It will be heated and it will deflect by bending itself. So to restart, it's like this. So when the overcurrent, that's constant overcurrent is happening, it will this bimetallic strip will heat up and it will deflect by bending, then it will pop. So when you need to turn it on again, when you need to reset it, you just go and do this pop, so it will be on again. This is a very unique technology, and this is going to protect your electrical system. It's protect them against what we call overcurrent, overload, and one more thing, short circuits. As an electrician, you don't go and fix a socket for a single phase motor or a three-phase motor. You don't do that. I've seen some electricians fixing sockets for electrical single-phase motors. It's not a good practice. You have to get this so that when there is an overcurrent, it will what? It will trip off or go off to protect the motor of your client. So like I said, you gotta stay tuned. You got to stay tuned. Stay glued to this channel, multi-skilled electrician, for more electrical tips, tutorials, and more electrical installation. So then I'll see you again. Bye for now.